Okay, quiet. Or maybe I set it off. Dang, that's such a idea. I think I set it off.
Good thing they were in a hurry.
What? Yeah. All I have to buy is a screw on the good. Shut up. Yeah, funny. You got the keys. Yeah. It's been beep. Yeah. No. The alarm's been going off.
Down there for like a long time.
What? We were up here waiting.
Mike, this man.
It's unlocked, buddy duddy. Oh, Jason, stretch those muscles. Come on. Let's see you flex.
I was really checking that out.
Oh, look, there's one muscle. Oh, time for the other. Come on. The other. Oh. Dude, where's the fun of that? Is your butt dry, Brendan?
I almost saw
Ooh,
5.
dry out my hat.
I
Oh.
haven't worked out in like a year.
Oh, this is your hat?
Is it dry? What? Why is there my hat there? I don't have no cooties. Oh. Come here, little boy. Urgh.
I just think it's weird.
Am I weird? No. You didn't know half of it.
Are you sure?
It's unlocked, dude.
I know.
Yeah, it
You
is.
want me to sit on the seat with my wet butt?
Well, I thought you had a towel.
I do.
What's the other towel? It's unlocked. Such a pain in the ass.
No, you are. Sweat too, honey.
I'll just turn on the butt warmer. How wet's your butt?
My dress is go wet.
Is your butt wet? Here, I'll turn on your butt warmer. Your butt's gonna be hot for a little bit. I'll turn on her butt warmer. Actually, Danielle, I think I have a dry shirt back there you could sell on if you want to. I'm down for either or. The water is hot as hell now.
You know what? When I went to the Cayman Islands the first time,
Uh-huh.
Hard Rock Cafe was closed, but they still had a sidewalk sale.
Yeah.
So they were closed, but they still wanted you to buy their crap. It's like you didn't really go there; you just went to their sidewalk.
Yeah.
But the second time I went there, spent $300.
Dang. You wear glasses, Jason? Or those?
Sunglasses.
Oh, your sunglasses. And your nose is a little hot
You
too.
sit up front, Jason. I don't have a wet butt no more. I have different shorts on.
Okay, that's cool. You're dropping your money all over the place, Danielle, Billy. How many nonsense do you need, Dudu?
Brandon bought me 3.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Of
Nos.
Nos.
A shot.
I shot a
They
Nos.
sell shot Nos in there?
No, not here. At that store when.
Actually, they sell energy drinks here, though. And they probably do.
I got that from Muscle.
I know, he's gonna chew it.
So that's still purple.
So will you hand me my iPod?
You want one? Or iPod? An iPod? There you
What the heck's an iPod?
go. Well, it looks like an iPod right there. So.
It looks like iTouch does. Oh, yeah. it looks like
This is my second one.
that. She broke the first one. She got. Oh, it's 80 degrees outside, guys. What's in there? Oh, the rides are still going down. They probably close at 8 today. Right?
Oh, no, the employee get to stay for like an hour.
And do all the rides?
Yeah. But the people are still, I don't know. But...
They close at 6:40.
It's like 7:05.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, they told me that they close at 6:40.
Maybe it is the associates riding rides. The employee appreciation day or something?
No, every third day.
Oh, every day? Oh,
It's when they get to wind down and talk crap and show.
Be like, yeah, we need to help all these ratty kids today. That's a cool shirt. I like that shirt. I can't believe Nahan's driving a soccer mom van.
That smoked cigarettes.
Come on, yeah.
Her radio stopped
Wow.
working.
You just look at us and keep walking right to the middle. There it is.
And I
man.
smile at
And
them.
you're looking at us like we're doing
I'm
something wrong.
waving at them.
Wow.
Sure.
Some people, man. But it's a good thing I'm not driving.
See them boys right there? They're starting shit with like hella people right there.
Oh.
Those boys right there with the girl.
Yep.
Oh.
Right there.
Were they trying to
Yeah.
fight each other?
No, and this other guy kept dropping his stuff and like walking back up, and then he'd walk away, and
Even though there's a couple right there, but right there.
yeah.
Short. Wow.
And then he dropped all his stuff, came back again, and I was like, dude, that boy's a punk. Just doing it because of the girl.
Yo, the little cute romantic love going on.
She'll be pregnant in a week.
Yeah. She will be. Like, there's another
Honey
one.
after pill, honey.
It works wonders for you.
Yeah, well, I was born on birth control.
You were on birth control?
My mom was on birth control.
What? Oh, man. Huh.
So you're a blessed child.
What?
A blessed child.
Yeah. And she wanted a girl. I was a huge disappointment.
And then she got 2 sons.
3. Well, but my mom first got pregnant when she was 15.
Really?
Yeah, she had my brother at 16.
By your dad?
No,
No?
no,
By your stepdad?
no. Some kid in high school, and we don't know who he is. Well, actually, we do know who he is, but he's not on my dad's. He's not on my brother's birth certificate. So, yeah, so he's nobody, but he's just. We know
And
who
your
he is.
dad adopted him?
Yes. When we moved up here, he adopted him. Or whatever. So he's my half brother, but we don't talk about that in our family. He's just our brother.
Garrett.
Oh, they blocked that off? No way. What you used to do when this is backed up?
Go straight.
Go straight and then turn in the dirt log and block it off, and then they come back. And yeah, there's all that concrete right there at the very end. You just turn around that.
I changed my
I'm following all the club, but hangs up on him.
because he's a jerk.
Very no.
My mom yelled at me because this was my collar tone. She's like, Neil, are you 15? I've had it with you. You're not getting a job with this collar tone. Can you please change it? So I did. What, honey? I will find it for you. They're right here.
Oh, what?
You're welcome. And anything else?
That's the vlog.
Alright.
Flynn.
You down for tomorrow?
I don't know.
I'm not.
I want to go see the Red House.
You want to go see what?
Bruno. I did too. I should have been a boy, you know that? Because then I would have been like a construction worker.
Why do you want to be? Well, you can be a female, be a construction.
Oh yeah, those girls are hot. Butch.
With a manly fingernail,
Yeah,
dirt in their fingernail.
Manhand.
And like if I have my nails done, they look at me like I'm retarded.
Oh, but you know, there's some hot flagger women though.
There's a what?
Hot flagger women.
Yeah.
There's just stop,
some of them.
stop.
Oh, but there are some nice ones.
But yeah, you can check them out, okay? Whoa.
I check out everything, like I told you. I just don't do nothing about it. But that's
Andrew? Sorry to interrupt. Sorry. Sorry, Jason. I was going to show you that video from the roller coaster.
Oh, dude, you were screaming, hello.
what? I didn't even